Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Vagaro, a popular salon and spa management software. I've been using Vagaro for a few years now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool for my business. It's helped me to manage my appointments, track my clients' information, and market my services. In this video, I'm going to share my experience with Vagaro and tell you how much it costs to use. I'll also discuss some of the pros and cons of the software. So, if you're considering using Vagaro for your salon or spa, or if you're just curious about how much it costs, be sure to watch this video until the end. Before we get into the cost of Vagaro, let's talk about what it is and what it does. Vagaro is a cloud-based salon and spa management software. It's designed to help you manage your appointments, track your clients' information, and market your services. Some of the key features of Vagaro include appointment booking and scheduling, client management, online booking, marketing and email campaigns, point of sale, POS system, inventory management, reporting. How much does Vagaro cost? Vagaro offers a variety of pricing plans to meet the needs of different businesses. The cost of your Vagaro subscription will depend on the size of your business, the number of employees you have, and the features you need. Here are some of the Vagaro pricing plans. Basic, $29 per month. Premium, $49 per month. Enterprise, $99 per month. The basic plan includes features such as appointment booking, client management, and online booking. The premium plan adds features such as marketing and email campaigns and point of sale. The enterprise plan includes all of the features in the basic and premium plans, plus additional features such as inventory management and reporting. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, Vagaro also charges a transaction fee for each appointment that is booked online. The transaction fee is currently $1.99 per appointment. Pros and cons of Vagaro. Pros: easy to use, affordable, comprehensive feature set, excellent customer support. Cons: can be expensive for larger businesses. Transaction fees can add up. Not as customizable as some other salon and spa management software. My experience with Vagaro. I've been using Vagaro for about 3 years now, and I've been very happy with it. I find it to be easy to use and comprehensive. I also appreciate the excellent customer support. The only downside to Vagaro is that it can be a bit expensive for larger businesses. However, I think that the cost is justified by the features that Vagaro offers. Overall, I think that Vagaro is a great salon and spa management software. It's easy to use, affordable, and comprehensive. If you're looking for a salon and spa management software, I would definitely recommend giving Vagaro a try. If you're interested in learning more about Vagaro, I encourage you to visit their website or sign up for a free trial.